I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and we have a bunch of great Mexican food here. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites, carne asada. I'm going to make the carne asada by marinating a skirt steak in some chilies and spices for about 6 hours, and then simply grilling it until it's medium rare. It's going to be fantastic. It's easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats. I'm going to make this dish using a flank steak rather than a skirt steak. Let's make a marinade. I'm going to start with some red onion, some jalapenos, fresh garlic, a couple of chipotle chilies with the sauce, a little olive oil, and some orange juice, and of course a little lime juice. Add a little Worcestershire, some salt, and a little bit of pepper, and I'm going to give that a spin. Once it's mixed up, I'm going to add some parsley and give it another spin. Next, I'm going to pour that over the flank steak, put it in the refrigerator, and let it marinate for about 5 hours. Time to get this on the grill. After it came off the grill, I let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then I cut it across the grain. This was tender, juicy, and just full of flavor. The marinade really made the difference. I served this alongside some grilled green onions and some fresh flour tortillas, and it was absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out several times a week. See you next time on Austin Eats.